Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and an amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the top 5 electric car stocks to buy in 2020. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall, I hope you guys learned something. And if you have any questions, go ahead and ask them down below and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Also, if you guys want to sign up with Moomoo, you guys can literally get a free stock just by signing up. That will be the first link down below. So now let's jump into it. Let's look at the top 5 electric automobile stocks to buy. I hope you guys enjoy it. Roll the intro. Let's go. Bam! Alrighty guys, so the very first one here is ticker symbol TSLA. This is the one and only Tesla. The reason why I love them so much is because they are the front runner in the electric automobile space. I do think that this stock carries a ton of long-term potential, but the con of actually getting in Tesla, the very first thing, you don't get paid a dividend. So for all of you dividend guys, this may not be the best stock for you. But you have to look at growth. Tesla is definitely a growth stock. You know, they have a ton of awesome features, autonomous driving, superchargers across the whole United States. And I do think that this stock's going to be, you know, very, very important in the next couple of years. I do think that this stock could easily hit, you know, $1,500 to $2,000 within, you know, maybe 2 to 3 years. So there is a lot of long-term potential with this one. And, you know, I understand that a lot of people don't love Elon Musk. Me personally, I think he is a creative genius. I do think, you know, some of the stuff he says, like Tesla stock price is too high, I think that's literally ridiculous. But looking at this stock, you guys can see that this stock just has literally run from $230 all the way up to about $1,000, fell, and then ran again. Now, this stock is hitting really resistance lines, so there is definitely some downside potential right now. But if you guys are actually just looking long term, you know, $1,000, this stock could easily be like an Amazon in the next couple of years, trading at $2,500. So moving on to number 2, the next one here is ticker symbol NIO. The reason why I love this one so much is because honestly their cars are really cool. And I know just getting in just because their cars are cool isn't a big thing. But before this whole kind of recession hit, NIO, they were actually performing pretty well. And I do think that this stock trading at $7 definitely carries a ton of long-term potential. The way I think of them, they are like the Chinese or Japanese Tesla. I understand that, you know, Tesla is starting to move over to other countries, but I do think their cars are really designed for like sporty. They're a little more sportier. They're, you know, just a little different type other than Tesla, but I do think that the stock is honestly really interesting. You know, only $7 a share. And the thing about this is it is breaking above this 200 moving average line. So I do think that maybe there is a nice little swing trade, you know, right here on this, but we'll see what happens. But the downside of this is right now the trend is going down. So we are going to need a break of around $10 even just to make this look interesting. But this is still a good one for the long term. Now the next one here is ticker symbol MGA. Now this one here is a auto parts manufacturer. So they make, you know, electric automobile parts for, you know, a ton of the big 3 and a lot of the other companies. The pro of this one is this one still has this nice upward trend on top of getting paid a nice dividend of around, it looks like, you know, maybe $1 or $2 per year, which is pretty good for a stock that's only $43. So I do think long-term potential, the trend is still up, but I do think that there is some risk just because right now it's kind of trading in between 68 and around 24. So we'll see what happens when it hits this 200 moving average line. You know, right now it's using it as resistance. So we might actually need a break of around $40 to $50 just to make this stock even look interesting for a possible trade or long-term investment. But if you guys just want to get into the electric automobile space, this definitely could be a stock that, you know, make some money in the future. So now the next one here, I'm sure you guys have heard of it, ticker symbol NKLA, also known as Nikola Motors. This stock, you know, a lot of people think that they are going to be the next Tesla. Me personally, I think they're not. The reason why I'm saying that is because they have no revenue. And I do think that even back in 2011 when Tesla came out, they did have some revenue. They created that first Roadster. And this company really is only taking reservations. So they're not even, they haven't even started the production. They haven't even started all of the hard parts of, building a car. They're only doing the easy stuff, which is taking people's money. So we'll see what happens here. I do think right now the stock is a little overvalued. I do think it was just a merger breakout because they merged with another company and the stock broke out. But I do think, long term, the stock could definitely be the next Tesla, so to speak. But this stock and this company is really focused on semi-trucks, so it's actually pretty interesting to see how they're actually going to compete with Tesla. So now the last and final one here is ticker symbol BMYY. Now the thing about this one is, yes, it does continue to have a downward trend, but this stock is really not too bad. I do think there is some resistance here at around 26, but you get paid a dividend. So very similar to, NIO. If you just want to get into an electric automobile company, this could be a stock that actually performs pretty decent. And, we're always looking towards the future. So this stock could definitely bounce back. We'll always, keep an eye on it. But realistically, we'll need a break of the overall trend to get in, to even look to get interested in this, because right now the trend is down and the trend is your friend. And so if we bought into this, there is more downside potential than upside. Realistically, we're going to need a break of 28 to even make this stock look interesting, because that would be an overall trend reversal. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys smash the like button. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and overall stay safe out there. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Take care. Bam!
You're recording the whole time.